G. Doraisamy Naidu of Coimbatore is called as Edison of India. Doraisamy Naidu was called as Edison of India due to his intellectual ability, which was at par with Thomas Alva Edison. Doraisamy Naidu was such a big inventor as well as scientist. Most of his inventions were in the field of electrical engineering, automobile technology, and as well as in lots and lots of mechanical related fields in engineering. Even though his favorite field was about automobile, he has done a great job in invention of different varieties of agricultural breeds in plants, which has really touched the common man. If at all Doraisamy Naidu could have been born in Western world, he could have been awarded with Nobel Prize. If in India we could have followed his footsteps and followed his ideas towards industrialization and even in the agricultural field, we could have been one of the best country in the globe. Unfortunately, we have not followed his ideas. Nowadays, China is considered as the manufacturing hub. If Doraisamy Naidu's ideas were being implemented in India, India could have been a great superpower. Doraisamy Naidu was credited for manufacturing India's first electric motor in 1937 along with Balasundaram Naidu. It paved way for industrialization of Coimbatore city. This was considered as one of the most pioneering efforts. Second, he had done a great job in lots of automobile engineering field. He first invented a self-propelled 4-stroke diesel engine, which could have been revolutionized if it could have been came for implementation. Third thing, he has invented lot of small time things like electric juicer, a distant adjuster for cameras, and he has invented the first motorized razor saving machine, which was patented in Germany. And even though a lot of companies from America and Europe asked for its patency and permission to produce, G.D. Naidu was literally against it because he wants his invention to serve India and he wants everything to be manufactured in India. Such a pioneer with a vision is very great and rare to see. Doraisamy Naidu has invented a 5-valve radio set just for 70 rupees in 1940s. In 1952, he invented a petrol engine car with a 2-seater capacity and started manufacturing it. But eventually he had to stop because there was no government license for it. Can we imagine, like in case the government could have supported him by granting a license to manufacture that 2-seater car, it could have been a pioneering effort and it could have been well ahead than Japan in automobile technology. Not only in automobile engineering and electrical fields, he has done a great job in agricultural technology. He has invented a lot of breeds in maize, corn, and even in potatoes and in bananas, which was high yielding varieties at that time. And at those times, Sir C.V. Raman and Vishwesvaraya has visited his farm in Coimbatore and was really astonished to see such great varieties, and they appreciated much about his inventions. Mainly, Sir C.V. Raman has told that G.D. Naidu is a man one in million. In 1945, as soon as he came back from US after formal training in engineering, he started India's first polytechnic college in Coimbatore just to train the local men in automobile and even in electrical fields. He has named it as Hope College because on the goodwill which we had on at this time Madras Presidency's Governor Sir Arthur Hope himself came to Coimbatore to inaugurate the Polytechnic, and it paved way for a technical skilled manpower which really boosted the industrial growth of Tamil Nadu in those times. When he saw the plight of common man who was living in a thatched house, he thought that he should do something about it. He researched and planned an affordable house which can be built in just 11 hours, and even he did so by starting the construction of a house at 6 a.m. in the morning and finishing by 5 p.m., which was inaugurated by the then Vice President V.V. Giri. He told that if this principle has been applied all through India, all the poor people will get affordable housing in just 4 years' time. Duraisamy Naidu has done a lot of philanthropic activities. He has operated a large fleet of bus, which is pioneering work in India, as well as he has really had a fleet of more than 200 buses. He liquidated those buses and really gave to healthcare and education. He, along with Ratna Sabapathy Mudaliar and the first finance minister Shanmugam Chetty, his close friend, they have gone for a survey in Sirvani river, which is in Kerala, and from that deep forest he got the most sweetest water to Coimbatore. So it was his contribution in a different field other than automobile sector. He is such a great inventor. Like first he got the spark while a British Lancashire, an officer, revenue officer, who passed by in his farm in a motorcycle. He bought that motorcycle in later days, and he really opened up from nut to bolt, and again he reassembled it. That was the first spark for a genius to be born. Such a genius deserves the highest civilian award in India, that is Bharat Ratna. So it is all our duty to push both central and state governments to work hard to make this dream a reality. To be clear in sense, it is a great contribution to such a legendary genius which India has ever produced. So Bharat Ratna decoration is a must for G. Duraisamy Naidu. We invite the general public, academicians, industrialists, politicians and pressmen to join our hands in voicing for G. Duraisamy Naidu the most prestigious Bharat Ratna at the earliest. Thank you one and all for watching this video.